All right, so here's one place, handles, Menards. There's the price of these handles. They have boxes all over the place for Menards like this. Sometimes the closeouts over here. But otherwise, Menards in general, you have to go in. They have racks and racks and racks of knobs. They always have 11% off. And then they always have at least one aisle over that has the closeout stuff. If you need hinges, they have new hinges. They have ones you can buy in bulk, which are definitely cheaper. Sometimes the pullouts, they have good selection of all the pullouts that you need to replace everything. And then hinges, I can't tell you the price because they're going to change, but these are the price per 2-pack. So if you have like regular hinges that snap close, these are the ones that have the soft. These are the ones that snap close now. You can replace them with soft close ones for here. That's priced for 2. So you can get an idea. You just got to come in, get what you're looking for, but there's so much stuff here. There's a cabinet guy normally that's right over here. He can help you with it. But if you need hardware after we're painting or before we're painting your kitchen cabinets, here is an amazing place to come and get them. We tell guys to come here all the time. Just because the 11% off is usually cheaper than Amazon, believe it or not. And they warranty their stuff for 7 years, I guess, when you buy stuff here. So if you need hardware for your kitchen cabinets that you're painting, or hopefully that we're painting, come into Menards and come and get it.